Hey Don, how familiar are you with the Chrysler 300 2022? It has 3 trim levels. It has a Touring L, and an S, which is the sports version. It can get 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway. It comes with a 3-year, 36,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty. And it has a 4-star overall safety rating. One feature I like about this car is that it has active lane control, which it can detect directional shifts from the wind or uneven pavements, and it can help assist the car stay in control. So call that number down below and we can get you scheduled for a test drive in this brand new Chrysler 300